guys, in the video we are going to be playing Roblox Build a Boat for Treasure, and I am going to be showing you how to make suspension just like this. I'll show you how it works. So you're gonna want to select all on anchor. Oh, it's on the rod. Then we'll select all on anchor. Then I forgot, you have to unbind all these to there. Then if you want to see how the suspension works, I've gotten the rod already. Okay. I should instead just place another rod right here. Just like that. It goes up on one side, just like that. And I'm going to be showing you how to make that. And if you want to go even more, you can do 2 rods. And it'll give a little more of a test, you can see. But let's get into the video. Oh, my thing just fell. Or not fell, but just went away from me. Because it fell away from me, I'm going to do collisions all the way off. Okay, now I'll do collisions on. Okay, so first, you don't need to do this. You can just place blocks, but I suggest placing a rod. Place 2 metal blocks, paint them. And then you want to put a servo. Then you want to put another servo. Then, after you get that servo, you want to put that servo. And you want to put another servo. Then you're going to want to put a hinge, another hinge, a hinge, and one more hinge. Then you want to put 2 front wheels, then 2 back wheels of any kind, other than the big wheels. But I'm not sure if they work with those normal wheels. So then you want to do that. Then you have to put a hinge like that and that, then put a hinge into that. Do the same thing on the front, put 2 hinges here, then put a hinge right there. Just like I said, place that. Oh, why is there a big wheel? Place that, unbind all the servos to there, delete the rod, select all on anchor, then you have your suspension. And let me see if it works exactly. Yep, it works exactly. You can use this in cars and everything. Well, that wraps up the video, guys. Bye!